to Christopher, please.
Hi students, uh, here our topic is BI search and text analytics. First of all, we are seeing what is BI search, what are the benefits of the BI search. Then we are briefly discussing text analytics in this topic, and after that, by combining these two, what is the benefit the business intelligence system got. First thing, BI search offers a number of benefits to the business intelligence. Uh, Mainly, it providing simple user interface and it providing a complete set of information to support decision making. Everything we need with the business intelligence is for the effective decision making. So the BI search providing a complete set of information to decision making, and it is integrating the structured and the unstructured content. We know structured content means it is a quantitative and unstructured content means it is a textual. So structured data refers to the numerical values and operational systems and stored data in a warehouses. Unstructured content refers to information stored in textual comment fields. Comment fields means these are available in documents, annual reports, websites, and so on. And the other benefit for the BI search is users can find what they need through search rather than through navigating a long list of reports. Now, about the text analytics. Text analytics means it is relating to search in an unstructured information or text can be transformed into quantitative data. That means the structured data. For example, we are searching an information within the comment field. We are seeing the customer how many so many times which type of text produced for the particular product. With the text analytics, it is taking numerical analysis of the textual information. So though we have improvements in data warehousing and BI front-end tools, users continue to feel overwhelmed with the reports, and the customers don't know the meaningful information. They don't know what's available and where it is available, and they also don't know which reports already exist or how. For example, a report giving product sales and same information is conveyed in the product sales YTD, but with a difference between data within the product sales of YTD and the product sales, and the valuable information is hidden in a textual data. So with this drawback in the text analytics, the BI search interface promises to change the way users access information. For example, the best example is the Google. How we can see the Google interface, a picture a Google interface to BI. So here the user can enter a face, any face, and it is giving the reports on related face by generating queries. So the added benefit is that in addition to displaying reports coming from the BI server, the search engine will also list textual information that may be relevant to the customer who searched with the phrase he searched within the Google. And never before has such unstructured data been so nicely accessible with the structured or quantitative data. If the integration of the search and BI is successful, it is another innovation that will make BI accessible and usable by every employee in an organization. So, according to Tony Bain, he is the founder and president of CMS Watch, a technology evolution firm focusing on enterprise search and content management systems. This technology has existed more than 50 years. Here, consumer search. We also have consumer search. The very best known search, BI search, is the consumer search. For the examples for the consumer such as the Google and Yahoo, we are well known about these technologies. These are emerged with the internet in mid 90s. With these, Google is not only the enterprise search solution that BI, to the BI vendors, it supports most consumer recognitions and helped business users to understand the possibilities. So, by combining the BI search and the text analytics, by integrating these, most of the number of customers taking advantage by integrating these as they are feeling customers are feeling these are handful handy ones. So Blue Cross Blue Shield BCBS of TN is an early adopter of these capabilities, the integration of BI search and text analytics. In 2006, this BCBS and TN paid $17 billion benefits for its 2 million commercial members. By giving this information, they gave new technology. For that technology, Brooks asked their BI vendors. The vendors are Cognos along with the IBM, who produces the search solution OmniFind. uh, for the IBM, such a solution is the OmniFind and SAS. And these are offered text analytics solutions, text miners, to work together to develop several prototypes and show the business users the concept of bringing BI, enterprise search, and text analytics together. The integration of BI search and text analytics. For this, it is having the capability of business users as a uh, uh, suppose we are given the customer given the phrase diabetes, then the OmniFind first searches the box, then Cognos reports and OLAP cubes that show claims paid for diabetic treatments, and then call centers notes that involve the phrase diabetes, then new search on improving care for diabetes patients. In this way, the BI search and the text analytics integration, new technology, integrated technology gives a more powerful decision making, new research improvements on a particular case to the BI users, and it is giving high degree of collaboration between BCBS and FTN and its information technology partners. So they understand the new capabilities, develop the right infrastructure, and optimize the indexes to provide the best search performance. Okay, good day.